AnapJet's fractional ownership platform is the smartest way to own a private jet. We provide a hassle-free way to own your business jet and a smart way to fly.
The AnapJet's business model is a disciplined one. We buy brand new aircrafts as fast as we have fractional owners that are willing to pay for them. We sell fractions in brand new aircraft that are available here. Our program is created on a reliable and credible aviation platform that confers all the advantages of owning a private jet in terms of convenience and reliability, whilst cutting out the unnecessary and wasteful tie-up of investable dollars. For example, the first time I went to Kebbi State, I flew from Lagos to Abuja and then drove in a car for 8 hours to get to Kebbi. Today, as a fractional owner, I can leave Lagos at 7 or 8 a.m., spend the day in Kebbi, and return home to Lagos before it's time for dinner.
At AnapJets, we provide our owners the ability to conduct business and effectively get from one location in Africa to another in a quick, convenient, and financially prudent manner.
Anap Business Jets Limited, also referred to as AnapJets, is a private jet operator. Our base is in Lagos, Nigeria, from which we can reach virtually all functional airports within the African sub-region. We have a team of professionals that encompass flight operations, technical, safety and quality, finance, and marketing. When you enter the AnapJets world, you are investing in a platform that reduces the upfront capital requirement, lowers the recurrent operating expenditure, and removes the management requirement to fly your own jet.
We place our owners at the center of our universe, ensuring that we are reliable, dependable, and always deliver on our promise.
At AnapJets, we provide a hassle-free way for you to own your business jet and a smart way to fly. Our owners are companies and individuals who are business leaders and pioneers. They require the ability to move around the continent efficiently. We are not in the luxury business. We are selling functionality and convenience. We offer a high-end, highly practical business tool that gets our owners from point A to point B. Every owner is unique, which is why we provide a tailor-made, unforgettable experience by intricately planning each step and interaction to ensure that we provide the ultimate travel experience. We're available to our owners 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
We guarantee the highest levels of privacy, confidentiality, and ability to travel hassle-free.
Hi, I'm Alessandro Baviera, the CEO of Eurofly Service, the largest Italian operator of private jets and helicopters. We are the minority shareholders of AnapJets and their technical partner. We are sharing our 40 years experience in this business in the technical side and operational side, bringing to ANAP all our expertise in the customer satisfaction and efficiency and safety.
At AnapJets, our pilots undergo the initial and recurrent flight training for the Phenom 300 at the Embraer CAE Flight Training Center in Texas, USA. I bring to AnapJets my experience as having been on the initial flight test certification of the Phenom 300 and have seen it through its rigorous development to what it is today. Our operational practices are in line with EASA and FAA regulations.
The Embraer Phenom 300 is ideally suited for provincial airports because it only needs 953 meters of runway length for takeoff.
For 3 consecutive years, 2013, 2014 and 2015, Embraer Phenom 300 has been the most delivered business jet globally. Safety is our top priority. Our maintenance platform is operated in conjunction with Embraer, our aircraft manufacturer, Pratt & Whitney, the engine manufacturer, and Eurofly Service SPA, our technical partners with highly qualified engineers. Together with the approved service center in Lagos, AnapJets offer collective institutional experience of over 100 years. Welcome to the AnapJets world. It'll be our greatest pleasure to have you on board.